Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to see button tag in HTML. Button tag is used to create a clickable button within HTML. I'm sure that you have seen a website in which they have used the developer has used the button tag in their website. So in this video we are going to see the button tag, what is button tag, how to use button tag in your HTML page, what is the use of that button tag, how to apply the css in button tag. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. In your screen you can see the basic HTML code. So first we will try to understand what is button tag. So button tag is used to create the clickable button within HTML form of your web page. You can put content like text or image within a button tag. You should always specify the type attribute for a button tag. Different browsers use different default type for the button tag. HTML button tag can be used inside and outside the form. I am sure that everyone has seen the form tag. So we cannot use the input tag as a button tag. So we have created a separate tag for clickable buttons, that is a button tag. If you use the button tag inside the form, it works as a submit button or a reset button. But when you use that button tag outside the form, you can call a JavaScript function into it and perform a function in that button tag. So we will understand the button tag with the help of one example. When we try to apply the CSS over button tag, you can see the output also. So let's get started with this example. So first of all, we create the button tag with the help of button. You can see button over here, and in that button we can type the text also, click me. When I save this, well, of course we have to mention the type attribute also. The type attribute is our button. So when I save this, you can see the output over here. So you can see the click me and it is a button type. This is our h2 tag and this is our paragraph tag and this is our button tag. Now we will try to apply some CSS over here and we'll see how the button changes. So first of all we have to create a class and our class name is button1. So I have already defined style over here. In style I will type button1, and first of all what we will do, we will try to change the background color of that button. The background color that I'm giving right is ff0000. I have saved this code and now you can see the output. The output of that background color changes and the background color is now red. Now red I think does not suits on black. We will change the color of that text also. So what we have to do, we will have to do that color equals to white, or we will put color equals to white. When I refresh the web page, you can see the text color has changed, of the click me color has changed to white. Now as I can see that the button is too small. Now we have to create a button larger than the actual size right now. So what we do, we will try to give the padding over here. So in that style we will give padding equals to 15 pixel. So when I refresh this page, you can see the size of the button has been increased. Now I can see that the button is the left aligned. Now we will shift the button to the right side. So what we will do, we will do margin left equals to 15% or something, any percentage you can take depending upon your requirement. I am taking a general case of 15%. When I save this code and when I refresh that page, you can see that the button is shifted towards the right with the 15%. When we hover over here, it is not looking like a button, so we have to apply a pointer over here. So what we'll do, we'll change the cursor equals to pointer. So when I save and when I refresh, you can see the cursor type change. Now you can see a hand over here. Before that there is this type of cursor. Now the cursor type has been changed as a pointer. Now what we will do, we will try to change the background color. When the cursor is about that button, the background color and the text color should change. So what we'll do, when we are hovering that button, the background color and the text color should change. So what we'll do now, we will apply CSS. So now I have written hover css, you can see button 1 dot hover, where background color equals to ab1234 and background text color should be 000. So when I save this code and when I reload this page, you can see the difference. When I hover that button, you can see the background color changes and the text color also changes. Before that the text color was white, now the text color is changed to black. You can use any type of color, background color, you can use any type of text color. Now I have given the font weight equals to 600. So when I refresh, you can see the click me size has been, the thickness of the click me has increased. Now I will give the font weight equals to 800, and when I refresh this, you can see click me size of the click me has been changed because I have given the font weight equals to 800. So this is a basic example that I have given regarding button tag, how to create button tag, what is the meaning of button tag, how to apply the css in that button tag. You can explore more over the net regarding the button tag, how to apply more css in the button tag. For now this is it. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with your friends. Everyone who wants to learn HTML, will see you in our next video.